Okay, it's like 10 in the morning. Let's go. Let's see some more of Cologne before going to a different city. Let's go. It's actually Monday right now, which is very good because shops are open and IKEA is open. Yeah, we can use that, even though my friend says that no.
A lot of ice cream is toxic for Lukáš.
Yeah, ice cream is very good in IKEA, so definitely want to get some. Well, this has just happened. I mean, we were just walking around, went to this shop, and I mean, we're just looking at some very cool things, just like very cool jackets and stuff. And I happened to buy actually this, and they have got some very cool discounts. Unexpected shopping. At least right now I'm equipped for the upcoming autumn and also kind of winter. A very cool thing over there is just you can actually buy an equipment to go to Mount Everest. Still hasn't changed since yesterday. They still didn't wash it. One of the best things to get in Germany is probably this, a kebab. It's very good that they actually have, you know, these water fountains where you can refill your water bottle with like drinkable water, especially in hot months. I also bought this. This is like a cola plus orange soda. Okay, let's try it. Wow, it's weird. It doesn't taste like orange nor cola. Honestly, I wouldn't probably buy it again, but it's not like the worst soda ever. I mean, obviously the original Fritz Cola is definitely better. Alright, so I don't think we'll go to IKEA, but we'll definitely go to Bonn. Train leaves in, I don't know when, we'll find out at the main railway station. It was very nice being in Cologne. The mission right now is to find a train heading to Mainz. We'll have to somehow navigate through the very big train station. Alright, so train leaves in like 1 minute. I don't think we'll be able to get it, but it's worth to try. I think it has just arrived. Or is it just going? Nah, this is the one. Alright, made it. After roughly half an hour in the train, we've made it to Bonn. Allegedly, in this house, Ludwig van Beethoven was born. An hour has already passed, so it means it's time to go back to the main railway station and just go to Cologne, because that's where our second accommodation is. This time finding the train was a bit simpler. Well, it just goes from the same platform basically. It has some delay, like 10 minutes, but that's not a problem. This is certainly not the one. So actually it's been 30 minutes. So we've made it to Cologne. Tomorrow we're going to Luxembourg, new country for me, and I'm definitely looking forward. We've made it to the accommodation just in time. Well, it's not like the biggest one, but it's fine for a night. Not bad. Also a bit of view. Day 2 is over. Let's see what tomorrow brings us.